Will Binance list Kaspa? Okay, that's kind of be the question we're going to answer right here in this video. If you hold Kaspa, welcome back to the channel. We do talk KAS a lot here. It's a crypto that I believe in, a very unique crypto, which I think they do have a lot of legs in the next run that we're going to get within the crypto sphere. So we're going to talk about it. We're going to look into where Kaspa lies kind of within an uptrend, and if it can break through the 20 cents level. We're going to answer that question as well. So if you're new to the channel, awesome, glad to have you. Please consider subscribing right down below. Smash that like button as well. Really appreciate if all you guys hit that like button, and let's get down into it. So I do want to take you guys first into the crypto bubbles, and please remember, this is not financial advice, but this is a very strong day for crypto. Kaspa up 2.4%, kind of getting behind the Bitcoin run where we've seen 4+% up for Bitcoin. But as we trade around 17 cents, talked about it a lot on this channel when it was around 14 cents. This was way too cheap. Kaspa even dipped down as low as as low as 14 cents this month. But over the past year, this is where we've seen Kaspa get down about a dime, and that was where we talked about 10, 11 cents, where this is a very strong accumulation point. And all those people that were able to listen and buy Kaspa, they've made a lot of gains just in that small swing, going from 10 cents all the way up to 17 cents right here on the charts. Okay, so let's get down into it. Let's talk some Kaspa. But first, while we're on the subject, right now Margex is a leverage trading platform that I'm affiliated with. They are a sponsor of this channel. If you guys want to sign up with Margex, make sure you do using my link down below. You do share right now. They have a Kaspa airdrop going on, $500,000 in Kaspa. The only stipulation is you have to trade $100, I believe, or deposit $100, one of the two, if not both, and then you can partake in this Kaspa airdrop where you can receive a share of $500,000 in Kaspa by using Margex. So that's a great promotion that they're running. Register now using my link. You do get a discount in trading fees. It is a leverage trading platform, so make sure it's right for you. There's a lot of volatility associated with that, and there's no KYC. So make sure Margex is right for you and where you're located. And by all means, if you want to get partake in this Kaspa airdrop and get started trading on leverage, links down below in the description. Okay, but this is where we're looking into Kaspa and the mining on the Binance pool. Will we see a Kaspa listing? Now, this is kind of a big storyline because not just this, but this is kind of the big story, right? Kaspa's been doing all this, making all these waves, getting all the attention that it's gained, and they do not have any of the, I guess you would consider, the easily accessible exchanges offering Kaspa to users in the crypto world. Okay, so if they could get on Binance, that would be the biggest listing that Kaspa has had. That is the big one. That's the mothership. Now, seeing this is something where this has kind of drawn the attention. This was way back when, back in August, where this came about. Now, Kaspa miners, we have seen that they have launched the Kaspa mining service on Binance's native pool. So that does not guarantee that it will be listed. However, it is newsworthy enough that I will go back a month and talk to you guys about this headline because this is something where as KAS begins to implement a lot new features, this is where traders can take positions and leverage USDT pairings within this source that we have within the introduction of Kaspa futures. Now, we are not listed. That's full disclosure. So keep that in mind. But if Kaspa does get listed, that's going to be a very strong push and narrative as we get further into 2024 and into 2025. Now, as the uptrend continues, can we actually break through 20 cents? Well, right now we crossed over the 200-day EMA, 18% of gains. That was a big, strong reversal as we defied the sell-off and re-entered a bullish channel. Now, among this is where Kaspa has formed a crystal clear higher swing. We've seen a significant uptrend sustained, and this is where we have traded below that trend line around 18 cents, where as we get closer to the tail price rejection of the 200-day EMA, closer to that 12.5 level, which is a strong support zone for Kaspa. That's why I was talking about, and obviously not financial advice, but that's why I was talking about around 10, 11 cents. That was an accumulation range for Kaspa, and now we're trading at 17 cents, which for those of you that can do the quick math, that is a big, strong gain in just basically a month or two in time, okay? So has this price retraced from all-time highs at around 20 cents, 75? That is where we've put a very, very strong support level around that 200-day EMA mark. So if you want to know where KAS was headed, obviously you can use a trading indicator that I use. Links down below in the description for that. But the 200-day EMA, that's what I'm watching, okay? So that is something where all this volatility we have within the crypto market, right? Bitcoin was dropping below 58,000, below 56,000, and then now all of a sudden we're back above 60, and we look like we're pushing, and that's why we're having a very green day on the chart. But right now, Kaspa is still oversold if we look into the RSI, and that's where there is still a bearish stance. But I do think that Kaspa right now is bullish. If we can get some legs from Bitcoin, if we can vault ourselves above 66,000, I think Kaspa is going to follow suit. We all know how closely built Kaspa is to Bitcoin. A little different, a little more unique, but it's still going to follow and correlate within Bitcoin's upward movements as well. So that's kind of what we have going on. Despite this upward price shift, there is a lot of bearishness still involved with Kaspa on the charts. We've seen negative funding rates, a lack of open interest, and as well as Kaspa's volume down is down. So that's kind of three little data points and part of TA that would invalidate if we were going to see an uptrend for Kaspa. So the biggest thing right now, watch that 200-day EMA. Check it out. Always follow that. And if you have any way of putting that into your trading view, make sure you do so. And that's where we can kind of use that with the MACD. If we see that crossover, then we know that it is bullish times ahead for Kaspa. So appreciate you all watching. That's kind of my update within kind of what we can expect from if we do get a potential Binance listing, as well as some of the metrics surrounding Kaspa behind the scenes that kind of validate this suggestion that we could see this price support lift this back to all-time highs, just a little bit above 20 cents for one KAS. So that's what I have. Appreciate you all. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe on your way out. And also, if you haven't done so, make sure you smash that like button. Remember to check out the links down below in the description if you want to get hooked up with Margex and start trading today. Appreciate you all, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.